Hello everybody, good morning. Today we are going to learn question tag. Students, we have seen different kind of questions such as yes no type question, WH question, alternative type of question, right? Today we are going to learn about question tag. Students, do you know what is mean by tag or question tag? Let's see. Tag questions are short questions, means question tags are short questions that added to the given statements, they ask for agreement or disagreement from the listener. Like yes no question, they ask here us that agreement or disagreement, means you can answer these questions in yes or no, like. Okay, so let's see. First of all, we will see the some examples of question tags. Let's see. The film was boring, wasn't it? You are an actor, aren't you? Ajit played wonderful, then didn't he? Ajit played wonderfully, didn't he? Like this. Look at that. A positive statement will have a negative question tag, and negative statement has positive tag, right? If you look here, the tags which are added to this statement, the film was boring, look at that, wasn't it, means negative tag was added here, right? And we will see how negative statement has positive tag, right? Look at that, this statement, Suma is clever, is this a statement, right? Then the negative tag here, in given sentence is a auxiliary verb, means helping verb is there, so by using it make a negative tag. Suma is clever, isn't she? Here we use pronoun she, as Suma is there in the given statement, right? Instead of Suma, at the end of the question tag we use she. Suppose if there is a plural noun or singular noun, you can use the pronouns for them, right? Okay students, look at that. Suma is clever, isn't she? Negative statement, Suma is not clever, then the statement has a positive tag, like is she? Suma is not clever, is she? So let's see what are the rules that gives you clear idea about the question tag. First rule is, if the verb in the statement is form of be, it means the verbs are helping verbs, like am is are, was were, have has, can could should. If these words are present in the given statement, then repeat it in the question tag, then you have to use it again while making question tag. Examples: Anu is beautiful girl, or Anu is beautiful, right? Then here look at that, is the form of be, means it is the verb of be, is. So Anu is beautiful, then question tag will be isn't she? Instead of Anu we use she as its pronoun, right? uh, Sriram was a pilot, wasn't he? Look at that. Sriram is a boy and therefore the pronoun he is used for him. Like that. You weren't absent yesterday. Here the sentence is actually a negative statement and therefore the tag will be the positive one. We haven't made like weren't you. We only made were you. Okay students. So uh, make one sentence that in your mind is, whenever the statement is positive you have to make the question tag negative, and whenever the question or the statement is negative you have to make the tag positive, like this. Okay, if the verb is positive statement is am, the verb in the question tag will be aren't and not amn't, means in the given sentence or in a given statement the verb is am, then you have to write aren't for am, right? Instead of amn't, it will not be took place like this, amn't. Okay, so I am handsome, then the tag is aren't I, so The full answer is I am handsome, aren't I? Like this. I am not a king. Then if not is there, means the construction of am not or I am not is there, then only you can use am I. Okay, students? Okay, let's see. Then rule number 2, if there is a helping verb in the statement, repeat it in the tag. If there is a helping verb, means auxiliary verb is there, I told you before, then repeat it again in a tag. Suresh can't do this. Suresh can't do this. It is a negative statement. We have to make it positive question tag. Then Suresh can't do this. Can he? Instead of Suresh we use he, and instead of can't we use only can, because statement is negative. We have to make the or add the tag positive. Can he? Okay. Chaya will arrive tomorrow. Chaya will arrive tomorrow. Then will is the auxiliary verb, right, or helping verb, so use it in the question tag. So will became won't, will not became won't. So won't she? Chaya is a girl and therefore pronoun she is used. Okay. If there is a no helping verb in the statement, use appropriate form of the do in the question tag. Appropriate form of the do's are do, did and done, right? So these three form of the do you have to use according to your verb, right? So look, Rita likes chocolate cake. Rita like chocolate. In this given statement, like is in simple present, likes, right? Because Rita is the subject, Rita likes. So when there is s at the s is the suffix for the given verb, then you should use does. And according to our rule, if the sentence is right positive, then make the tag negative. So Rita like chocolate cake, and the tag will be doesn't she? What is it? Doesn't she? Right? Okay. Jairam broke the glass jar. Now here in the both these sentences, the helping verb was absent. Helping verb like emizar, was, where, have, has, nothing is there. Only verbs are there. So according to verb, we have to use do, does and did. So first sentence, there is a s suffix for the given verb, then therefore we used doesn't, right? Here the verb in the present sentence is in the past tense. In the given sentence it is in past tense, break, broke and broken, like this. So past form of the verb is there, so we have to use did. If there is a past form of the verb, then we have to write it did, like that. Jairam broke the glass jar, didn't he? Right, students? All the statements you can observe carefully. Just look forward. If the subject of the statement is personal pronoun, repeat it after the verb in the tag. If the personal pronoun like he, she, he, we, you are there, then you can repeat them in a question tag. We are friends, aren't we? Here auxiliary verb is present, therefore it will become like aren't we? She is not millennia. Is she? Here the statement is negative, therefore tag is positive. This is the tag, okay students, that we have to add for the given statement. So while writing the question tag, you have to first write the whole sentence as it is, and then put the comma, and then write the tag, and at the end you have to put the question mark, right? If the subject in the statement is not personal pronoun, use an appropriate matching personal pronoun in the question tag. Look, the shopkeeper was rude, and the shopkeeper is oftenly we found a male, and therefore we use he instead of shopkeeper, right? So personal pronoun you have to use as per the uh, proper subject. So the shopkeeper was rude, wasn't he? Was is the helping verb, we use it, make it negative, wasn't he? The sunset is beautiful, isn't it? The sunset, it will be not like he or she, right? So therefore we use it as it, isn't it? Okay students, so let's see what is next. Add suitable question tags to the following statements. Here 10 examples for are given for you, right? I will solve only 2 of them, then other remaining questions you have to solve by your own. Sandeep is good at chess. Here look at that, is the verb given, helping verb is there, so we have to use it again. So is become isn't, so isn't, and the subject is Sandeep, so write the he as a pronoun. So isn't he, and then put the question mark. Okay students, look at that. He won the match against Nikolai yesterday. He won the match. Here the verb is won and it is in the past tense, and helping verb is not present, so we have to use do, did or does. If there is a past tense of the verb, we have to use did, right? So just see, he won the match against Nicola yesterday, then didn't he, right? Because statement is positive, so didn't or did not become didn't. So didn't he, and at last you put the question mark. Like that you can solve all the statements. Here Nasima does not eat meat. Here already do did does form is used, then no issue. Does she is the question tag, because Nasima is the girl, right? So does she, you can add the tag like this. Okay students, you can solve these all questions in your notebook as a practice. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, right? Look at that. Next exercise, write the statements that can precede each of the following. Means you have to write your own sentences, right? If the tag is positive, you have to write the sentence negative by using not, nothing, nor, etc. Okay, but instead of that, if the tag is negative, then you have to put the sentence positive before it. Okay students, okay, you can complete this exercise also. Okay, okay, look at that. Next one, here we will finish our session, and you can solve the all questions given in a session, right students? Thank you.